Welcome back. Now you can create in-meeting closed captioning for those that will be attending your meeting or webinar. And what you're going to want to do is come into your settings area. You're going to want to click this third link. That's going to bring you down to the in-meeting or advanced section. When you find that section, you're going to come to this link. As of the recording of this video, it's the third one down. We're going to click this link over, and then you will then be enabled. That means then that once we are inside of our meeting, we'll be able to come to this right side menu. We'll then be able to click closed caption. And then we have a few choices. We can assign the closed caption to an individual that is participating with us on the call, and we'll need to assign that to them here. We'll also then be able to type the transcription ourselves. And if that's the case, we're going to click this button that says I will type. We can give the URL to a third-party service, and we click this button. This is going to put the URL onto our clipboard so that we can pass it on to another individual. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.